And we are back to the same spot that I was last week. We're gonna try for some big bass once again, and let's see how it goes. Alright, just got done setting up and we got our first flag up. If you can see, the weather has moved in, so let's see if anything is. Oh, there it is, still spinning. Let's see what we got. Oh, popped it right up. Well, as you can see, it's still snowing, but seems as though the fish are biting. And there we go. Good size pickerel. All right, just gonna kiss it and put it back in the water. And there we go. And there we go. Another pickerel. Guy's got a damaged gill. Alright, not a bad size one. Seems like pickerel are all that's biting today. Alright, apparently I only got 2 tip-ups that are in decent areas, because these are the only 2 that are going off. It's another pickerel. Oh no, that is a bass. That is what we have come to see. Yeah. Got a deformed bottom lip here. Not bad. Very skinny 2-pounder. Let's get him back in. Alright, so I just barely got back to the Jeep. Was going to sit down for a few minutes, and the second tip-up that's been going off went off again. So let's see what we got. It's spinning. And another pickerel. All right. Oh, the hook popped out and I actually saved it. All right, back down it goes. Started to bleed a little bit. All right, as you can see, it's still snowing out here. I got this flag up, and while I was walking over here, that flag went up, so we'll be checking that one next. And let's see if anything's here, because it hasn't spun. It might have just been a perch. Nope. Got some weight to it. Feels like it went right down into the weeds. And it did, because it's a pickerel. I've already caught this pickerel once before, as the gill is disconnected. Alright, we're over here to this flag. Let's see what we got, if anything. And we got a perch. We'll let you keep the bait fish and go off and swim away. Alright, we finally got a different tip up that has gone off. And my best guess is it's going to be a perch, just because it hasn't spun. And look at that, another perch. Let him keep the fish. Alright, this one's back up again. Don't know if anything is still here, but we will give it a check. Little squiggly perch. Alright. Not a bad size. I'm not keeping them today, as you've noticed. So we'll put it right back down the hole. Let it get bigger for next year. Oh, look at that. It's starting to spin. I guess it's a small perch. Just grabbed it. It's gotten pretty windy. It's starting to snow again. So I'm not sure how much longer we'll be out here. I don't think it's a perch. Nope, not a perch. Big pickerel. Nothing wrong with that. Nice little 2-pound pickerel. And we're up and rolling with this one again. So, give it a minute since it decided to take off. It's probably going to be a perch. But then again, with that kind of a run, not 100% sure. Not a bad sized perch. And that's going to be it for the day. It got really windy out there, so I'm filming the outro inside my Jeep, which is very messy at the point in time, so I do apologize on that. Other than that, I had a pretty good day. Started off strong, kind of fizzled out here the past couple of hours. We haven't had much but wind flags and perch. Other than that, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you want to continue seeing more weekly videos for fishing and other outdoor adventures.